In this video, we'll show you how to replace the sway bar link on your Subaru Baja. This is located in the front of the vehicle and part of the suspension system. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove our lug nuts with a 19mm. If you can't remove the wheel, you can thread a lug nut back on halfway. And I'm going to use a dead blow hammer on the back side of the tire, trying not to strike the rim. And we can remove the wheel. We'll remove the upper bolt and nut with a 14mm. We can remove the lower nut and bolt with a 12mm. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this area with some brake parts cleaner, a brush, and a rag. We can get our new sway bar link lined up. And I'm just going to twist and push until I have the lower bolt hole lined up. We'll get that lower bolt installed, and then we can line up the upper one. We can go ahead and get each of the nuts on and started. We'll go ahead and snug those down. We can torque the 14mm bolt to 33 foot-pounds. And we can torque the 12mm bolt to 18 foot-pounds. Line up the lug studs with the holes in the wheel. I like to get the first lug nut threaded all the way in, and that'll hold the wheel on while I get the rest of the lug nuts threaded on. We can snug these down. Now we can torque these to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Take the vehicle for a test drive and make sure that there's no strange noises.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.